It's literally the one I bought, but the one I bought is like... I think it's... maybe like this. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's get rid of that. Can I customize this? Okay. Ooh. Yeah, that's quite cute. Okay. Yeah, I feel like we're probably good. Oh, wait. Okay, instead of... never mind. Instead of tea outside, I want you to have like a coconut thingy. It's way cuter. Oh, I can customize the chips? How? Sour cream, rice crackers, chocolate chip cookies, crackers, chocolates, cheesy snack, spicy snacks. I was about to put the chocolates, but outside it's gonna be melting, right? Why not the chocolate chip cookies? Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. And I think for outside we're good.